Longhorn crazy ants are called longhorn crazy ants because they have antennas that are long like longhorns. And they're called crazy because they don't walk in a path. They walk all over the place. One thing that makes them an ecological threat is their feeding behavior. They forage long distances away from their nest, which makes them hard to control. They hurt the environment because they have been known to gather small seeds from crops, such as lettuce or tobacco, from seed beds, preventing the establishment of the new growing season. This is my ant life cycle. So first the eggs, these are the eggs, and then the eggs turn into a larva, and then the larva turns into a pupa, and then the pupa turns into the adult ant, and the adult ant has more eggs, which goes all over again.
I'm Andrew Garcia, and I'm going to tell you what I researched on raspberry crazy ants. Raspberry crazy ants hurt the environment because they go inside electronics. Tom Raspberry had discovered them in 2002 in Texas. He was surprised the way they move and everything because they don't move in a line. Most ants move in a line, but you never know how crazy ants move.
Leaf-cutting ants. Non-genera and Anthrochromics, these species of tropical fungus growing ants aren't helpful, but they hurt the environment as well. Leaf-cutting ants get their name from the habit they have of cutting leaves. Leaf-cutting ants cut leaves for them to make their shelter.
Hi, my name is Mason Flores, and I'm going to tell you my research on Solenopsis molesta ant. They are native to the United States in northern, western, and southern Mexico. They have a small colony of a couple hundreds to a couple thousand workers. They make anthills close to other ant species anthills so they can steal food from their anthill. They are not that aggressive to them when they steal their food. And that's my research on Solenopsis molesta ant.
This is the egg. When it hatches, it will turn into the larva. After the larva, it will become the pupa. The pupa is a yellowish color. Then when that hatches, it will turn into an adult ant. These are red imported fire ants. First, the diet. They are omnivores. They eat dead mammals, arthropods, insects, seeds, and sweet substances like honeydew. Any Texan who has walked through a field and seen dozens of red imported fire ant mounds knows the destructive power of the red imported fire ant. We should control these ants because they hurt the environment. If you want to know how they hurt the environment, this is how. They inject a toxic alkaloid venom. Now this is a last topic, native or invasive. Red imported fire ants are invasive. The red imported fire ant predators are armadillos, ant-lions, spiders, birds, and horned lizards. Go. These are ant heads. Whenever they hatch, they turn into a larva. And whenever the larvae grow, they turn into a pupa. Go. And then they turn into an adult ant.